Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the McScants 6-inch LED video light. So starting off with the unboxing, on the front all you have is a picture of the LED video light itself, and other than that, looking at the back, in fact you pretty much have nothing else, so we can go straight into the unboxing. So when opening the box, these are the items that you will find inside. So obviously you have the 6-inch LED video light here, the tripod head, and also a little piece of paper here, which we will get into next. So all this is basically a thank you card, and on the other side you have a little message here where you can get £3 more. So I'm not exactly sure what this means. Maybe they will ask you to give them a good review, but obviously if that does happen, do give them a review that is reflective of what the product deserves. So do not give them a 5-star review just to get this commission. I would recommend that you stay unbiased. Now looking at the tripod head here, this is basically a normal ball mount. So all you need to do is unscrew this part, and here you have the ball head moving, and once you find a position that you like, you just screw it in, and like that you have it fixed in that certain position. Obviously you can also attach this to a tripod with the thread here on the bottom, and you can lock this onto the video light by moving the little disc here. So this is just a normal ball head mount. Now looking at the video light itself, as you can see, it is all made out of plastic, and overall for the price I don't really mind that it's made out of plastic, and this is what you should expect since you're paying such a cheap price. Here you also have a cable with a remote control here, and I also found this type of remote on an LED reading light, so these are quite common. And as you can see, the other end is a USB type A port. So obviously this can be connected even to a power bank, since it doesn't really require that much power. And as you can see here, you have the ball head mount. So all you need to do is get the ball head and make sure that it's fit into the thread. Rotate the ball head until you have a secure fit, and rotate this little disc until it's securely on. So this is a video test with the 7-inch LED video light, and as you can see, it gets a bit brighter than this as well. Now as you can see, this is all being powered from a power bank, so I have the USB directly put into the USB port of the power bank itself. And as you can see from the remote control, I can easily turn it off and turn it back on. I can also change the color temperature, so you have 3 different modes. So this is the colder color temperature, you have the warmest color temperature, and then you have also the standard color temperature here. And you can also increase or decrease the brightness by pressing on the plus button or the minus button. And as you can see, you also have a good amount of levels here to choose from, and obviously this all depends on the situation you're in and how much light you actually want. Something that I would have liked to see is that the light would be a bit more diffuse, since as you can see behind me there's a pretty big and harsh shadow, although that is partly my fault since I am very close to the wall behind me as well. And as you can tell, with only one ring light you'd probably need more to light up your subject well, since as you can see right here, it's only lighting me up from one side and the other side is actually quite dark. But overall I think for the price that you're paying, this is a pretty good 7-inch ring light, and if you really don't need a bigger ring light, this will do you just fine. So I would recommend that you buy this. That was all for this video guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox, and I'm out. Peace.